Hello friends, in this session I explain different steps involved in KDD process. We all know information technology has revolutionized the world with cheaper and fast communication through different modes. All these devices generates lots of data which need to be processed to extract useful pattern of data or information. The database technologists are seeking means to store, manipulate, and retrieve data, while data mining area is struggling hard to find new and efficient techniques for information extraction from the vast amount of data. Data mining is also referred by the name like knowledge discovery in database. It also known as KDD process. So, to better understand what is KDD process, first I explain what is database. The database is a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs to access those data. It is a software system that manage data stored in the database. It provides an effective methods of defining, storing, and retrieving the information contained in the database. Note that the primary goal of a DBMS is to provide an environment that is both convenient and efficient to use in retrieving and storing database information. It provides users with information that they require. Some example of DBMS packages are DBase, FoxPro, Foxbase, Oracle, MS Access, etc. So I hope you can understand the concept of database. Now I discuss difference between data mining and database. First point in database is the database is the organized collection of data. Most of the items, these raw data are stored in very large database. Now, in data mining is analyze data from different information to discover useful knowledge. Next, in database is a database may contain different level of abstraction in its architecture. In data mining, we have say data mining deals with extracting useful and previously unknown information from raw data. Next in database is typically the three levels external, conceptual, and internal make up the database architecture. In data mining, we have seen the data mining process depends on the data compiled in the data warehousing phase in order to detect meaningful patterns. So, I hope you can understand the basic difference of database and data mining. Now, next I discuss on machine learning and data mining concept. To implement data mining techniques, it's used two components. First one is database and the second one is machine learning. The database offers data management techniques while machine learning offers data analysis techniques. But to implement machine learning techniques, it's use algorithms. Data mining use more data to extract useful information and that particular data will help to predict some futures outcomes. For example, in a cell company, it uses larger data to predict this cell, but machine learning will not depend on much on data. It is use algorithms. For example, Ola Uber machine learning technique to calculate the estimate time of arrival, known as ETA for rides. Self-learning capacity is not present in data mining. It follows the rules and predefined. It will provide the solution for a particular problem. But machine learning algorithms are self-defined and can change their rules as per the scenario. It will find out the solution for a particular problem and it resolve it by its own way. The main and foremost variance between data mining and machine learning is without the involvement of human data, mining cannot work. But in machine learning, human efforts is involved only the time when algorithm is defined. After that, it will conclude everything by own, means one implemented forever to use. But this is not the case with data mining. The result produced by machine learning will be more accurate as compared to data mining, since machine learning is an automated process. Data mining use database or data warehouse server, data mining engine, and pattern evaluation technique to extract the useful information, while machine learning use neural networks, predictive model, and automated algorithm to make the decision. Now, I explain the difference between data mining and machine learning. In data mining, we can say extracting knowledge from a large amount of data. And in machine learning, we can say introduce a new algorithm from data as well as past experience. In data mining, introduced in 1930, initially referred as knowledge discovery in database, and in machine learning, introduced in year 1950. The first program was Samuel's checker playing program. In data mining, we can say data mining is used to get the rules from the existing data. And machine learning, we can say machine learning teach the computer to learn and understand the given rules. In data mining, we can say traditional database with unstructured data. And in machine learning, we can say existing data as well as algorithms. In data mining, we can say we can develop our own models where we can use data mining techniques. And in machine learning, we can say we can use machine learning algorithms in the decision tree, neural networks, and some others area of artificial intelligence. In data mining, we can say involve human interface more toward manuals. And machine learning, we can say automated, once designed self-implemented, no human efforts. In data mining, we can say it used in cluster analysis. And machine learning, we can say it used in web search, spam filters, credit scoring, fraud detection, computer design. In data mining, we can say data mining abstraction from the data warehouse. And machine learning, we can say machine learning reads machine. In data mining, we can say data mining is more of research using methods like machine learning. And machine learning, we can say self-learn and trained system to do the intelligent task. So I hope you can understand the difference between data mining and machine learning. Now, I explain KDD process in data mining. Data mining refer to extracting or mining knowledge from large amount of data. Data mining is processing data to identify patterns and establish relationship. Data mining is the process of analyzing large amount of data stored in a data warehouse for useful information, which makes use of artificial intelligence techniques, neural networks, and advanced statistical tools to reveal trends, patterns, and relationships which otherwise may be undetected. Many people treats data mining as a synonyms for another popularly used terms known as knowledge discovery from data or KDD. Many other terms carry a similar or slightly different meaning to data mining, such as knowledge mining from data, knowledge extraction, data or pattern analysis, data archaeology, and data rigging. Data mining is a non-trivial process of identifying valid, novel, potentially useful, understandable patterns in data. Data mining as one step of knowledge discovery process that includes the term knowledge discovery in database or KDD for short refers to the broad process of finding knowledge in data and emphasizes the high level application of particular data mining methods. It is of interest to researcher in machine learning, pattern recognition, database statistics, artificial intelligence, knowledge acquisition for expert system and data visualization. It also refers the unifying goal of KDD process is to extract knowledge from data in the context of large database. It does things like it does this by using data mining methods to extract what is deemed knowledge according to the specification of measures and thresholds for that using database along with any required pre-processing, subsampling, and transformation of that database. Now, I have explained in which way KDD process work. First, we have select database. A database is an organized collection of data. The data is typically organized to model relevant aspects of reality in a way that supports process required this information. Then after we have applied data cleaning and integration process. So what is data cleaning? In data cleaning, we say that to remove noise and inconsistent data. Or we can say data cleaning in data mining is the process of detecting and removing corrupt or inaccurate records from a record set, table, or database. Data cleaning is one of the important parts of machine learning. It plays a significant part in building a model. Data cleaning is one of those things that everyone does not, but no one really talks about. It surely isn't the upmarket part of machine learning. And at the same time, there are not any hidden tricks or secret to uncover. However, proper data cleaning can make or break your project. Professional data scientists usually spend a very large proportion of their time on these tabs, or we can say data cleaning in case of missing value, and cleaning noisy data, where noise is a random or variance error. So this way data cleaning process is work. Now I explain what is integration. In simple word, data integration where multiple data source may be combined. Data integration is a data processing technique that involves or combined data from multiple heterogeneous data source into a coherent data store and provide a unified view of the data. These sources may include multiple data cubes, database, or flat files. These are mainly two types or approach for data integration. First approach is tight coupling. In tight coupling, data is combined from different sources into a single physical location through the process of ETL, means extraction, transformation, and loading. Second one is lossy coupling. In lossy coupling, data only remains in the actual source database. In this approach, an interface is provided that takes query from user and transform it in a way the source database can understand, and then send the query directly to the source database to obtain the result. So this way data integration is work. With the help of data cleaning and integration, we have created subject related data warehouse. Now we have applied data selection and transformation process on that. So first I explained what is data selection. In data selection, where data relevant to analysis tasks are retrieved from the database. Data selection is the process where data relevant to the analysis tasks are retrieved from the database. Sometimes data transformation and consolidation are performed before the data selection process. Data mining process requires large volume of historical data from analysis. So usually data repository with integrated data contains much more data than actually required. From the available data, data of interest needs to select and stored. Data selection is the process where the data relevant to the analysis is retrieved from the database. Or we can say data selection is defined as the process where data relevant to the analysis is decided and retrieved from the data collection. We can select database on data selection using neural networks, data selection using decision tree, data selection using Navy bias, data selection using clustering, regression, etc. So this way data selection is work. Now I have discussed on data transformation. In computing, data transformation is the process of converting data from one format or structure into another format or structure. It is a fundamental aspect of most data integration and data management tasks, such as data warehousing, data integration, and application integration. Data transformation is the process of transforming and consolidating the data into different forms that are suitable for mining. Data transformation normally involves normalization, aggregation, generalization, etc. For example, a data set available as any number like 5, 37, 100, 89, 78 can be transformed as 5 we can transform in 0.05. 37 can be transformed in 0.37. 100 can be transformed in 1.00. 89 can be transformed in 0.89. 78 can be transformed in 0.78. So here data becomes more suitable for data mining. After data integration, the available data is ready for data mining. Or we can say data transformation is defined as the process of transforming data into appropriate forms required by mining procedure. Data transformation is a two-step process. First is data mapping, means assigning elements from source base to destination to capture transformation. And next is code generation, means creation of the actual transforming program. So this way data transformation is work. Now next step is data mining. In data mining we can say an essential process where intelligent methods are applied in order to extract data patterns. Data mining is the process of discovering patterns in large data sets involving methods at the intersection of machine learning, statistics, and database systems. Data mining is the core process where a number of complex and intelligent methods are applied to extract patterns from data. Data mining process include a number of tasks such as association, classification, prediction, clustering, time series analysis, and so on. Or we can say data mining is defined as clever techniques that are applied to extract patterns potentially useful. It transforms task relevant data into patterns. It decides purpose of model using classification or characterization. So this way data mining process is work. Now based on data mining we have evaluate patterns. So in pattern evaluation we can say to identify the truly increasing pattern representing knowledge based on some interesting measures. Or we can say pattern evaluation is defined as identifying strictly increasing patterns representing knowledge based on given measures. Find interestingness score of each pattern. Use summarization and visualization to make data understandable by user. So we can say the pattern evaluation identify the truly interesting patterns representing knowledge based on different types of interestingness measures. A pattern is considered to be interesting if it is potentially useful, easily understandable by human, validates some hypothesis that someone wants to confirm or validate on new data with some degree of certainty. So, with the help of pattern finding, interesting score of each pattern. In pattern evaluation, we use data summarization and visualization to make data understandable by user. So, this way, pattern evaluation is work. Now, based on pattern evaluation, we have found useful knowledge. So, our next step is knowledge presentation. In knowledge presentation, we can say where visualization and knowledge representation techniques are required to use to present the mind knowledge to the user. The information mined from the data needs to be presented to the user in an attractive way. Different knowledge representation and visualization techniques are applied to provide the output of data mining to the user. Knowledge representation is defined as techniques which utilize visualization tools to represent data mining result. It also generates different types of reports, or it also generate different types of tables, generate discriminates rules, classification rules, characterization rules, etc. So this way knowledge representation is work. So here we have see the complete diagram of KDD process. Steps like data cleaning to data transformation are different from of data preprocessing, where the data are prepared for mining. The data mining step may interact with the user or a knowledge base. The interesting patterns are presented to the user and may be stored as a new knowledge in the knowledge base. Note that according this view, data mining is only one step in the entire process, even if an essential one, because it uncovers hidden patterns from evolution. We say that data mining is a step in knowledge discovery process. However, in industry, in media, and in database researcher location, the term data mining is becoming more popular than the longer terms of knowledge discovery from data. Now, I explain what is flat file. A flat file, also known as text database, is a type of database that stores data in a plain text format. Flat file databases were developed and implemented in the early 1970s by IBM. Flat file typically text file that have all word processing and structure markup removed. A flat file features a table with a single record per line. The different columns in a record use a tab or comma to define the field. The flat file database does not have multiple tables. Unlike in a relational database, the information contained in flat file does not have associate path or folders. All the records are stored in one place, and the database can be set up with number of standard Office applications. The database is easy to understand and it is easy to sort the records. Records can also be viewed or extract with simple criteria. Data warehousing projects use flat files to import data. There is no data manipulation performed on the stored data, but they are the preferred option because of how easily they carry information from the server. Flat files are bare means of storing tables data but do not hold relation between tables with them. One of the most common flat file is a comma separated value or CSV files. CSV files are files where table data is gathered in lines of American Standard Code for information interchange. Text with the value of each table cell separated by comma, with each row represented by new lines. CSV file represent relational data in text file. So I hope you can understand the working process of KDD in data mining. In last, I conclude this session. The data mining steps may interact with the user or knowledge base. The interesting patterns are presented to the user and may be stored as new knowledge in the knowledge base. In industry, in media, and in the database research location, the term data mining is becoming more popular than the longer term of knowledge discovery from data. So, thank you friends watching this video. I hope you can understand the basic fundamental of KDD process. Thank you.